check out this beautiful street.
All right, let's see.
I don't think that was.
No, that was
Did you
not
hear
it.
that?
No. Yeah, it's
Totally.
And then we to the left.
Yeah.
We go like through the park, so that's how we get there.
No. Wait, he said to take a left.
Or maybe the street.
Yo, it's so windy.
Arlo, he
I'm
said
pretty sure
to
we
take
keep
a
straight
left.
for a little bit through like all the parks, and then we'll get there.
Bombastic side-eye. They call me Mr. Bombastic.
Mr.
Mr. Fantastic. Bombastic. Bro, why do I do the best side-eyes? Bro, you do your side-eye? Are you bombastic side-eye?
Yeah.
Bombastic side-eye. Bro, but you gotta do bombastic side-eye for
You have
me
to say
do.
bombastic side-eye. Yeah.
Cause this
I'm
is
pretty
my
sure-
normal side-eye.
I'm pretty sure bombastic, like in EOA, we had like this thing and it was like, what is the meaning of bombastic?
What
And
did
it was like using fancy words that don't make sense or something. Like being
Bombastic
over,
side-eye.
no, it didn't, like being overly fancy, I think.
We went to like
We
the
ate at the
beach.
taco place.
Oh yeah, taco place,
That's
good.
good.
That was really good.
Yeah, what you guys have?
We had a
I think that had
taco.
a quesadilla.
I had a taco.
Yeah, was it good?
Yeah, great.
Kinda.
Just keep talking without us.
Alright, so
So
we went to the beach, found a couple of shark teeth.
and I found a sand
sand
tiger shark tooth.
Oh, and like that one, like that prehistoric fish one.
I don't think that was.
I don't know.
Wait, what priest? Oh wait,
Yeah, that one.
that
I'm
fish bone.
No. The actual like swordfish prehistoric, like that prehistoric
Oh yeah,
fish.
the
something.
razor
Yeah,
blade shark thing.
from like the Cretaceous.
Oh
period
yeah,
or
I
something.
remember that.
Then we
And like
we went to Grayson.
Grayson was eating
What?
best.
We
Was eating
at those mattress
at Grayson.
I know.
I thought you said
Oh, there's the
no.
taco place.
What?
There's the taco place right there.
Oh yeah, taco place right there.
I kinda wanna go eat there again.
Yeah, that was really
Alright.
good. Bro, that queso was busting.
We went down to the riverfront district a couple times.
Wait, where's that?
Oh, it smells so good. But it's over there. We went to the park.
Oh
Took
yeah.
a couple pictures in front of the fountain.
I went on a
We
slide.
saw like a wiffle ball game.
Oh
like
yeah,
a real
yeah, yeah.
wiffle ball game.
Yeah, I
And
remember
we
that. Bro, the beach
what
was
else did we
so
do?
fun. Remember when
that
I?
hurt my feet, bro.
Yeah, that hurt
There
all
were
of
so
our.
many shells. So
This is normal
went to that
weather for us
restaurant.
right now.
we saw 2 cargo ships, which is
Oh,
very cool. They were big.
Wait, 2?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I
Yeah.
remember. Bro,
And then-
those car.
Yeah, one when it was raining and one when it wasn't. And at the restaurant.
Yeah.
What was the restaurant called?
Oh, that. I don't.
Those chicken tenders were actually pretty good.
I don't really eat them.
Oh,
But-
were the fries last night good?
Oh, wait, what?
Oh, that Bell's place was pretty good.
Bella's?
That's something. I don't know. The pasta was good.
Wait, yesterday?
The meatball was very good.
Yesterday?
Yeah.
Hey, bro.
Never gonna lift you up. Never gonna let you down.
What's up, bro? Bro, try this slide. It's fun.
Let's race.
No, we're not doing tag.
No, let's race.
Oh, wait. Yeah. Down the slide. Hold on.
you
Not yet.
can't push yourself. You gotta
See?
hold on to this thing. Doing good. I knew it. Yo, that's crazy.
That was sick. Welcome to Forsyth Park, and it is
It's
really
fun.
nice.
It's a good area
Wiffle
for
ball
playing tag.
games, baseball
Tag,
games,
sunbathing.
soccer games, football games, basketball
That fountain.
games, tennis,
And a food
pickleball.
market. A food market. And pictures of cats. Yeah.
So,
About 3 years.
years-
No, about 1
One?
year ago.
Yeah.
Like it got taken apart. And
And, like-
people, it was going through construction, and people thought it would be their last time to jump in it. So a ton of people jumped in it and got ringworm,
Yeah.
and now it's back. And people aren't jumping in it because it's 15
Wait, what's
degrees.
ringworm?
Ringworm? It's like the worm that leaves a ring on you and it's like very itchy. And you have to like stay out of school, I think.
Does
No.
it like go in your body?
I don't know, it just like bites you, I'm pretty sure.
I've got that many times.
You have not got ringworm.
Yes.
You've never had ringworm.
Well, I imprinted it on myself.
You imprinted it on yourself?
Yeah.
How do you imprint a worm bite on your skin?
No. No questions asked.
No.
We're about to walk
We're about to walk into this haunted cemetery.
What Arlo said.
Let's go.
So this cemetery is haunted.
Okay.
Yeah.
Why are cemeteries fenced in?
Because they're dying to get out.
in.
To get out?
To get in.
Oh. I want to see what this one says. I can't see it. I can't.
I know. See, that's why we
20,
do. Oh, only 19. Oh, wait.
20,
1 year.
2001.
1 year, 6 months, 19 days.
Baby in there, buddy.
Oh, baby?
Is that why it's so small?
Yeah.
Yeah.
What, you bury babies?
What do you think you do with babies?
I don't know.
If the baby passes, you have another thought?
Yes, cremate them.
Launch them into space?
I don't know.
Why don't you cremate them? Read this
But I
one.
don't really think they did that. Like, there was no cremation.
Read
They
this one.
didn't. Yeah.
Wait, why are these ones so small?
Those are for hamsters.
Oh.
The family hamster. They're gonna haunt you. It's a family hamster.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
We went to that like
Oh, the
the
museum?
museum. Yes.
Yeah, that was
Yes.
fun. Remember when we saw the hanging upside down dead body?
We need to move on from
All right,
Yeah.
let's
I
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. Don't need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. Raining tacos
No, it's not.
from out of the sky.
It's not raining.
Tacos.
It's not raining.
Don't need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos, raining tacos. It's
That's cardboard.
raining tacos.
No, it's not.
From out of the sky.
No.
Here, let's walk this way and go.
Tacos. Don't need to ask why.
Oh,
Just open your mouth. And we're done.
Okay.
Rah.
Hurrah.